Getting jobs abroad. That's what you want. If you've been dreaming of moving abroad, getting jobs abroad, and you're looking to get jobs with visa sponsorship in Australia. Uh-huh. Don't be deceived though. Snakes here, big spider. Spider. No, it's not true. Australia is the land flowing with milk and honey. Australia is the land you want to go to if you want to make money. This video is to help you be able to get those jobs with business sponsorship. Buckle your seatbelts. This video is for you.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Hey folks, it's your one and only Wakawaka Doctor. Always bring you the best gist when it comes to travel and migration. You know how we do it on this channel. All we do is share information that has to do with living abroad, moving abroad, working abroad, studying abroad, anything abroad. If you want to move abroad, this is where you want to be. For those who always, give me feedback, positive vibes, Wakawaka Doctor, thank you. Wakawaka Doctor, thank you. Thank you very much for watching. If this is the first time of you subscribing to my channel, don't leave. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and to everyone watching, please do the same. Thank you very much. So quickly, before I tell you the gist of the day, I want you to share this video. Make sure you like, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you just share to as many friends as possible. I also want to tell you that there is a masterclass that I created just for you. A masterclass that you can buy that is very affordable, that will give you opportunities. You're in tech, you're looking for scholarships, you're looking for how to apply to jobs, you're an engineer, you're a teacher, you're a lawyer, you're in healthcare, you're in tech, you're looking to move to the United States for free. I got everything covered. You've applied for jobs, but they're not calling you. This masterclass has everything all. And I've created a special link in the description box of this video for you to be able to get that masterclass, okay? So go to the link and get the masterclass. All right, Australia is a country that has been regarded as far beyond. It's a country that is so far, and the distance is what discourages people from moving there. But what if I told you that people earn a lot of money in Australia? People earn a lot of money. Australia is one of the highest paying countries in the world when it comes to minimum wage. And Australia is looking for skilled and unskilled migrants from different parts of the world. Australia is open so long as you can fulfill requirements, so long as you can find sponsors, people that would sponsor your visas, and you can give them the documents that is required. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step how to apply and get sponsorship for those jobs, how to find employers that would sponsor you for those jobs. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Before I go into the gist of the day, please don't forget you can still join our exclusive community group if you're interested in being in my exclusive community and having access to me for the rest of the year. You've made up your mind that in 2025 you want to move abroad by fire, by force, then join my exclusive community, because in this community I'll help you move abroad through the study route, to the job route. You don't need to pay agents. You will learn how to do it by yourself. And if need be, I would help you process stuff by myself, okay? So if you want to join the exclusive community, it's $100 for the year. Check the link in the description box. Just click on the link, make the payment, join the exclusive group, and you'll be a part of us for 2025. I will get you abroad in 2025, all right? So you can join the group. Let's get into the gist of the day. Finding the right sponsors that would offer you certificate of sponsorship in the far country of Australia. If you've not watched the video I made about moving to the UK, which is the one I put out before this video, that's how to find a list of sponsors in the United Kingdom. This one is for Australia. I'm going to make one about the United States. I'm going to make one about some countries in Europe as time goes on throughout the year. Okay, so let's dive right into it now. I'm just going to show you. I always teach you step by step how to go about it. Now, what you want to do is, so like gov.uk, is the official website for those in the UK. Those in Australia also have their own website, which is called the Home Affairs. All right, the Home Affairs. And it's where this list is, and I'm going to show you how to get it. Okay, every link that is required, because I'm going to check it out on my phone, is under save. This is the list. All right, this is a list. I'm going to show you how I got it. And every link that you need for this video is going to be in the description box. You can just click on it and it'll take you there straight away. So if you want to get the list, okay, what you need to do is go on Google and put this website, www.homeaffairs.gov.au/FA-2021/document-released.pdf. It's a long one. All right, that's one way to go about it. Another way to go about it is just simply by going on Google and type registered licensed companies for sponsorship Australia 2025. And it will bring you to the same website. It's the homeaffairs.gov.au. And people are going to ask me, but this one is for 2021. What this one is for 2021? Calm down, calm down, calm down. Let me explain. Now, if you check the list, this is the list. If you do check the list, you would see on the list that it says that the agreement start date, you can see all the companies, agreement start date, you can see there, and agreement end date, you can see there. A lot of these companies have bonds, have agreements that span 5 years. So for some of the companies, it has expired in 2024. For some of the companies, it will expire in 2025. For some of the companies, it expire in 2026. Okay, a lot of the companies there are 2025, 2026. Okay, so those are the companies that you want to target. Now, it's a 23-page document. So there are loads of companies. And I think per page you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about 25 companies per page. And it's 23. So it means that you have about, say, you have about 600, 700 companies that you can apply to. Okay. Now, the good thing about this list is that it tells you the industry. Now, if you check the first column, you will see the industry. Okay. There's startup, there's on hire, there's meat, there's business, there's dairy, there's DAMA, there's healthcare, there's, so horticulture, fishing. Okay. There's a lot. All right, you now have to check. Now, just like I explained in the last video, you will now pick the company. Again, let me say this. Make sure your CV is appropriate for the Australian market. Don't use a Nigerian type CV or a Ghanaian type CV or a Cote d'Ivoire type CV for a job in Australia. You will not get it. Your CV has to be ATS compliant. Your CV needs to have the right ingredients. If you want someone who can help you with CV, just go on Instagram and check Careers by Ife. Careers by Ife. I trust her. I know her. That she knows how to do the work. Careers by Ife. This is not an ad. Okay. So go on the official website of each of those companies and apply to them. Apply to them. Apply to as many as possible that suit the skills you have. There are a lot of companies there. So if you're looking for healthcare jobs, apply to Unified Care Property Limited. If you're looking for fishing jobs, apply to Sniper Fishing Property Limited. If you're looking for dental jobs, Smith Street Dental Practice. So you have to look for yourself and apply to those jobs. So that is number one. Don't say, I have not helped you. That is number one. The second thing you want to do is you can check out recruitment agencies in Australia. Recruitment agencies in Australia. The one I love most is connecting.com, connecting with a K. Connecting.com, connecting with a K. Beautiful website. If you go on Google and just type connecting.com, it opens this website and you will see where they have recruitment and they have migration. Go to the bottom of the screen and you would see different categories. Blue collar skills. You have engineering personnel. You have IT. You have tech. You have healthcare. Click on the one that suits you. When it opens up, you would see a list of all the jobs that they can help people with. Okay? A list of jobs that they can help people with. So if your job is on that list, it means that connecting.com can help you with an employer. And if you doubt me, once you go to the homepage of Connecting, just at the top, you will see About Us. It's written boldly. Connecting offers integrated recruitment, immigration, and settlement solutions to connect Australian employers with skilled overseas staff. So they are helping overseas staff get jobs in Australia. Okay? So this website is another amazing website that I like. Okay, and all you need to do is go through that website. You can contact them. You can send them your CV. You can see there's a tab here that says submit resume. There's another one that says take free visa assessment. There's another one that says apply for visa sponsored jobs. So it's up to you. Another website that I like is adzuna.com, ADZUNA, and it looks just like this. Now, that's 3. Point 3 now is if you're looking for teaching jobs, there's a platform that is specifically for teaching jobs, education-related jobs, and the website is tes.com. If you go on Google and just type tes.com Australia, this beautiful website opens up again. It is for specific jobs related to education and teaching. So if you're in the education sector, teaching sector, then make sure you use this website. Another website you can use is the government website, accessible just by typing DWP AUS on Google. DWP AUS on Google. And you open the website and you see find a job. It has a portion here that's written find a job. Click on it and you'd find international jobs with relocation opportunities. Okay? Then if you're in the financial sector, there is a site that has financial related jobs, and the website is called e-financial careers. E-financial careers. E-financial careers. So I am hoping I've given you 5 websites now. The one from the Home Affairs website, the recruitment agencies, Adzuna and Connecting. We also talked about DWPAUS. Then I gave you the website for teaching jobs. Then I gave you the website that if you're in the financial category, you can also apply. So don't say I've not helped you. Now, the rest is up to you to do the work. I hope this video has been very helpful. So till I see you again, it's your one and only Wakawaka Doctor signing out.